Looking good does not just mean wearing better fitting clothes. Your face is the first thing anyone will notice, and as much as we don't want to admit it, it is true that a chiseled, well-defined jawline is considered as a sexy trait. Now, it is true that the definition of a jawline mostly depends upon the genes, but there are certain things you can do to give an illusion of having a chiseled jawline. What is up everyone, this is the Faceless Hobo, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the 7 such ways. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like down below and let's hop into it. The number one thing you can do to have a more defined jawline is to chew gum. Your jaw is just like any other muscle in your body. The more you work it, the stronger it'll be, or in this case more defined. This is a great way to strengthen the jaw muscles, and if you have a chiseled jawline, this is the best way to make it more prominent. Just remember to get a sugar-free gum. The next way to get a more chiseled jawline is to do some form of tongue exercises. Just as I said before, working those jaw muscles is the key to making them stronger. One of the exercises is to press your tongue on the upper part of your mouth for at least 10 seconds. The longer, the better. You will immediately feel a pain similar to the one you feel after a set in the gym. Let's be honest guys, as much as you want a defined jawline, tongue exercises sounds and feels weird. It's not something you can do everywhere. You might be thinking, isn't there some simple action we can do to strengthen our jaws? And the answer is yes, just smile more. Smiling is a great way to work your jaw muscles, and it also doesn't feel weird. It gives people the illusion that you are a cheerful and welcoming person. The fourth way to get a better looking jawline is to just fake it. Out of many good looking guys, very few actually have a well defined jawline. The rest fake it. The simplest way to do this is to not only trim your beard but also shape it. Make sure the beard along the chin is longer and it gets shorter and shorter, just like a fade. Also, don't forget to clean up the hairs on your cheek areas and also shape them on an angle so as to give you an angled face. The previous tip is for people with a lot of facial hair. But what about people who can't grow a proper beard? Well, you can give the illusion of a well-defined jawline by having a strong, symmetric hairstyle. The most important rule when it comes to looking good is symmetry. So if you have a round face, you need to get an angled hairstyle. One that is shorter on the sides and longer on the top. This would remove people's attention from the soft jawline and make you look symmetric and naturally handsome. The sixth way to get a defined jawline is to reduce your body fat. Some people have a defined jawline. It's just hidden under a layer of fat. So to get that sucker to show, you need to reduce your fat. And the best way to do it? You guessed it right, work out. But if your sole purpose of working out is to get that jawline, you need to get your priorities straight. The fat around your face is not the first to go away, so you'll need to keep on working hard and maintain the consistency. And in no time, you will see your jawlines popping. And the last thing you can do to get a better jawline is to drink more water. Our body is 70% water, which gets depleted throughout the day. So you need to keep on drinking water. This would not only make your skin and body glow more, but will also accentuate the jawline, making it look sexier. And that's basically it. These are the top 7 things you need to do to get a chiseled jawline. If you like this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification to be a part of the Faceless community. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.